Hello Pythons! In this video we will see how to make a professional thumbnail like MrBeast. First step, go to any competing channel or any channel that wants to make a similar thumbnail. On your keyboard, press Ctrl-Shift-S to make a screenshot of the thumbnail you like. Then go to ChatGPT, give it the image and write, "Describe this thumbnail in detail and point-wise." Second step, go to this site and paste what ChatGPT wrote for you. Note, all links are in the video description and in the Telegram channel. Choose 16:9. This is the best size for thumbnails. Click Generate. The site offers 10 free credits per day and gives 4 images on each attempt. The result is really impressive. Let's save it. Some Pythons will ask how to change the face in the photo to the one we want. Go to the Remaker website. Put here the image you downloaded from the previous site. Put here the face you want to replace the face in the original image. Here are some of the pictures I made with it.
Man, I've been fearless and let them feel this. You know I spit it no cap when I killed this. I'm better hit him with the rest, let them hear this. With this war tour, better be a field trip. Yeah, sack it up and then I double it.